So I seriously thought that I would be laying low in crypto throughout this year, but this space continued to prove itself to me that it is still a goldmine of opportunities. After that quick crypto winter, numerous scares at the beginning of the year, and this recent crash, I just wanted to leave my investments in platforms that can generate me passive income and then use that idle time to learn more about the space. However, the more I learned about the platforms I use, the strategies that other people are using, and also the things that I have been missing out, the more opportunities open up for me and the more I earned. In August 2021, I invested $250 in Cake DeFi to put my Bitcoin to work and generate some passive income for me. And after 3 months, I made a return of $215, which is an 86% growth in value. And since then, I have left my investments to just let it grow. And it's been 9 months now, so let me share with you how much I earned in Cake DeFi, what are some news and changes with the platform, and what do I intend to do with my investment moving forward. But before we go into that one, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Dred and I post personal finance and dividend investing videos and pretty much anything related to money. But right now, I am documenting my journey in paying off my student loans. So if you're interested in seeing how everything unfolds or just want to show your support, then please consider subscribing to the channel, liking this video, and also sharing this video. Now with that out of the way, let's get back to the main thing. So first, let's talk about what is Cake DeFi. So Cake DeFi is a platform that puts your crypto to work and generates cash flow passively. It offers the easiest to use and most transparent products and services, offering high returns for both beginners and experienced investors. Now, at least that's what their website says. They have 3 main products that they offer to investors just like you and me. The first product is called liquidity mining, and this is the most popular product in Cake DeFi, where you can earn up to 90% APY. And the second is called staking, and this is the staking that we are most familiar with. Staking in Cake DeFi can earn you upwards of 33% APY. And under that umbrella, they have this thing called Freezer. It's basically a long-term staking product where you have to lock in your staked assets in exchange of an additional APY on top of the staking rewards you get. And the third and final one they have is called lending. You simply deposit crypto in lending batches and get guaranteed returns in 4 weeks. And the good thing is you can earn bonuses if the crypto prices go up during your batch. So that is a brief intro towards Cake DeFi. Let's talk about what are some updates with the platform. So first, let's talk about their dashboard updates. One of the very first things I complained about with Cake DeFi during my first months is their UI. Before, it was really hard for me to see how much my investments were allocated in the platform. Luckily, they have updated their dashboards to reflect your current positions. Also, it was hard for me to see how much I was earning in the platform aside from calculating from point A to point B. I could not see how much I was making in a day, a week, or even a month, or even a year. And luckily, they updated that too. Now, Cake DeFi has made some updates so users can see how much they have been earning in each of their services. Now, I wish I could show you this update. Unfortunately, this specific one has been having some issues lately. As of this recording, Cake DeFi is still experiencing this issue and they are working to fix this problem. Once that update is fixed, I will post an update in my blog so that you can see the screenshot too. The next update that they have is that they are seeking a European crypto license. In January 7, 2022, Cake DeFi was issued a notice by Germany's Federal Financial Supervisory Authority, or BaFin. In response, they removed the German language in their website. Then they applied for a crypto license in the EU because that paves the way for Cake DeFi to move to a MiCA, or a Markets in Crypto Assets license, in 2024. According to Dr. Julian Haas, the ambiguous notice from BaFin brought about inaccurate speculation by the media and netizens about Cake DeFi's business. We have since carried on to operate as per usual after removing the German language from our website. We are proactively applying for this crypto license to give our German and European customers as a whole added assurance that Cake DeFi is a reliable, trusted, and transparent platform. Another update with Cake DeFi is that they created a new venture capital arm. In March, Cake DeFi announced the launch of a $100 million capital venture arm called Cake DeFi Ventures. It is committed to accelerating growth of tech firms with a focus on investing in Web3, gaming, and fintech startups. Cake DeFi Ventures has earmarked $100 million for investments over the next 2 years, and it will deploy its first investment in US-based media startup, The Edge of Company Incorporated. So those are the updates with Cake DeFi. Let's take a look at my 9-month result with the platform. I started with $250 in Cake DeFi on August of 2021, and this is the balance of my Cake DeFi account as of May 5, 2022. And by the way, my numbers are based off when I started and not based off since the last update. On May 5, 2022, prior to the crash, I had a total assets worth of $743.18. and allocated of that is $733.49. My frozen asset sits at $96.75, and I had an available balance of $9.69. As for my staking rewards, I received two different types of tokens, and the first one is DeFi, where I earned $82.64. Now, the second token that I received for staking is Dash, and unfortunately, my rewards for this token is very small. It's less than zero, so I will just put it as zero. Now, as for my freezer rewards, I received $1.55 worth of DeFi rewards. Now, as for liquidity mining, I received $70.73 worth of DeFi rewards. And for Bitcoin, I received 41 cents worth of Bitcoin rewards. That basically totals to $71.14 of liquidity mining rewards. So I also received some referral rewards, which I forgot to mention in my last update. Now, when I first started Cake DeFi, I received a bonus of $50. Then throughout that, I was receiving referral rewards from kind of like referring people to the platform. So people who have signed up using my link in the description below, I have received $72 worth of sign up bonus. And then I got $8.83 as a DeFi reward. And also I received 17 cents worth of Dash rewards. So total rewards that I received throughout 9 months is $286.33. As for price appreciation, that accounts to $206.85. So overall, my gain for 9 months is $493.18. Since I have failed to report some numbers before, my total rewards were underreported and my price appreciation was overreported in my last update. But anyway, this gain is close to 200% for my Cake DeFi investment. So the question now is, what have I done since? Seeing as I don't check my Cake DeFi portfolio that often, I decided to reinvest my Bitcoin and DeFi rewards to the Bitcoin and DeFi liquidity pair. Those tokens definitely should be put to work and grow my slice of the cake, pun intended. Since I've been getting Dash from my referrals, I've started to stake Dash as well. They only provide a 5.7% APY though, but I really can't complain because it's literally free money that is helping me grow my assets. Anyway, let's talk about my plans moving forward. Ever since my last update, I've contemplated whether to take out my investment and use it for something else or just keep it in the platform and let it grow. But only recently did I decide to go with the latter option. Rather than taking out my investments from Cake DeFi, I'm just going to let the value in my share grow. At this point, I don't really need the money that I earn from this platform, so I'm just going to let it compound here. Also, I wanted to invest in the USDT and DeFi pair, but the problem with Cake DeFi is that it's not an exchange. This means that I can't swap the DeFi I've earned into something else, and in this case, USDT, into liquidity mining. I've taken a look at the complexity of the process and it is a bit complicated. I would have to swap half of my DeFi tokens into USDT off platform, and in this case, it would probably happen in KuCoin. From DeFi to USDT in KuCoin, I will have to transfer it back to Cake DeFi, so now I will have balances for both tokens. Now, I haven't done it yet because I'm still thinking whether or not there is a better and more efficient way to do it. By doing the method I mentioned, I will have to pay $35 to just simply create an ETH or Ethereum address in Cake DeFi. KuCoin unfortunately does not have a USDT in the DeFi chain network as of the moment, so I have to send a USDT that is an ERC20 token into Cake DeFi in order to start the process. Now, the alternative though is for me to invest in the DUSD and DeFi pair because everything can be done in the platform. I can easily swap some of my DeFi into DUSD so that I have both tokens ready for liquidity mining. So that's the only plan I have with Cake DeFi at the moment because I am limited with the things that I can do with the platform. While I like Cake DeFi as a stream of passive income, I really do wish that they still improve on their UI and the ease of use of their products. Now, that concern may not be very obvious to new users, but the more you keep using a platform, the more you see things that don't work well with it and some of the things that are actually good about it. And that's all I got for you in today's video. Thank you so much for watching my 9-month result with Cake DeFi. If you have any questions regarding the platform, let me know in the comments below. And if you want to try out Cake DeFi, make sure to use my sign up link in the description below so that you can get rewarded some DeFi sign up bonus so that you can start earning in the platform right now. If you like content just like this one, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and also share this video. And also, if you are on Instagram, add me there as a friend at DailyDread so that we can chat, collaborate, and exchange some ideas. Thank you again so much for watching the entire video. Have an awesome and wonderful day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!